And again, if you look at the picture of Ramses there, and if you look at the original one of Menes, you'll see this is an African person. This is an African person with a broad nose and tight curly hair. They were the ones that built this. Now remember, perception, deception. Okay? What does racism tell you? What did we say when you say the word Africa? You thought about poor people, right? You thought about slaves, you thought about refugees. These are African people who are building a structure. It's 2,300,000 blocks of granite. There is enough stone, enough granite in this building to build 30 Empire State Buildings. All of the churches and cathedrals in Europe from the time of Christ until now could be built from this one structure. This is African people, right? At that early date who built this. And so, again, perception, deception. These are the columns. When you go up the Nile, you reach a place of Thebes, and you will see the huge columns. Again, these were built over 1,000 years before the Greek civilization began. Because Greek civilization comes in around 600 BC. This is 1,000 years before that. Look at the size of the columns. This is a person standing there. Look at the size of the columns. So this is a highly advanced civilization. And these are African people. In the early periods of Egypt, there are no conquerors coming in. There are no Greeks, no Romans, no Babylonians. These are African people who built this structure.